30. Today's an exciting day. Today's the day, you guys. I was just talking about this. I become an American today. That sounds really weird, but I got an email from my lawyer. My appointment is here. I took the test. I told you guys everything in my last video. I took the test already to become I'm Canadian. Hi. I took the test in August, but they had to go through some of my traveling, so I didn't get sworn in as a citizen that day. So today's the day. I take the oath and I become a citizen. They take my green card. I have to get a passport. Like, I don't know. I gotta do that pretty quick because, like, what if I want to travel? And I heard, like, they take the photos at this appointment, so I'm kind of freaking out. Like, do I have to? That's why I'm kind of doing my makeup like kind of good, because I just want to be prepared in case they do take photos. I don't think they do, but whatever. We want to be prepared and look good. My last passport photo from like literally 10 years ago is horrible, so I'm determined to get a good photo this time. But like I said, again, I don't know if that's what they're doing, if that's what they do at this appointment. I don't know. We'll see. I'll try to vlog, but it's like a very official government building, so I don't want to like film too much and they like be like, what are you doing? So maybe just a few clips on my phone. I'm definitely gonna get like some photos. This is like a big deal and I want to remember it. Sam's coming with me. They're gonna give me a little American flag. It's gonna be a good time. So that's what's happening this morning. Thought I would vlog today. Also, I'm partnering with Shein on this video and gonna show a couple outfits for fall. For fall. That was weird. Okay. I mean, I'm really wondering if they're gonna take a passport photo. If so, I have to be like really snatched. So I think I just gotta be prepared. Also, I gotta pick out an outfit. Okay. I'll see you when I'm ready. All right, you guys, I'm ready. This is the look. She's cute, so I'm prepared if any photos are being taken. I also heard you're supposed to wear black for passport photos. Again, I don't know if that's happening, but I'm about to leave. Kind of want to make a coffee first. But yeah, I'll update you guys when I arrive. I'm gonna be switching over to my phone. And
yeah, go become a citizen.
Yeah, exciting. Waiting in line.
There it is. All right, I can't go with you, but I love you. Congratulations.
This is so cute. I want to take a
Renounce and abjure all allegiance and fidelity to any foreign prince, potentate, state, or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations.
Woo! She did it. You guys, your girl did it. She did the thing. She became a citizen after 8 years. I became an American citizen today. That is crazy. I'm so happy and it just is crazy. I don't even know what to say. Honestly, I don't feel like a citizen yet, almost because I don't have a passport and so I can't like leave the country. So once I get my passport, oh, also, they did not take the passport photo. I was overreacting for nothing. I think I have to apply for it. It's gonna take like 4 weeks at least, unless I expedite it. I don't have any travel plans like set in stone, so I think I'll be fine. Yay. One sec, Adeline's calling me. Hi.
Hey, congrats!
Thank you. I'm literally vlogging right now, so you're on my vlog. All right, I'm playing dress up in the glam room right now. I want to show you guys this cute little situation. I'm obsessed with these like low-rise, kind of like cargo-y pants, and just like pairing it with a cropped sweater is super cute. But obviously this is from Shein. Thank you to Shein for partnering me and sponsoring this video. I'm gonna try on a few new pieces for fall because they have a ton of good fall stuff. And they're also doing their annual Black Friday sale. This is their biggest sale of the year. You can get up to 85% off from November 18th to November 25th. You can also use my discount code on top of their Black Friday sale. My code is SierraF15. I'll have it in the description box and the links to all the stuff I'm gonna show you guys. But yeah, it's the best time to shop. So tap the link in my description to shop their Black Friday collection. Yeah, I love this. I feel like this is a really cute airport outfit. I would definitely wear this on the plane. Comfy vibes, but really cute. All right, I'm gonna show you guys a bunch of their sweaters because I am literally so obsessed with their sweaters and, you know, fall. We love cozy vibes. This is so cute. I love the coloring, the two-tone, so cute. What? I also got it in another color. Love the length, obsessed. We got the same one in black and white. So cute. Again, I just love the sweater. I just feel like it's cool. Like, I like the stripes and the chunky knit vibe going on. Okay, why do I feel like a Backstreet Boy in the 90s in this outfit, but I'm like here for it. I kind of freaking love it. And oh my god, with this puffer vest, are you kidding me? What? It's giving Barbie vibes in the snow. I am literally obsessed. This is like the perfect bubblegum pink, and I love the two-tone. You can literally, it's reversible. Oh my god, you could literally do 2 different color pinks. I am obsessed. They have so many different colors in this vest. So it's hitting it where it needs to hit. It's doing what it needs to do. I have no words, as you can tell. I'm obsessed. Okay, no, because this is giving full-on coastal grandma. This sweater is everything. I feel like this would be so cute, like tied around your shoulders, like, you know what I mean? Love this black skirt. You need a little black skirt for the fall and winter. This with like loafers, little mini bag. So cute, so cute. All right, I kind of dressed this one up with my glasses and my little shoulder bag. I'm missing knee-high black booties with like tights. I feel like that would look cute on the bottom, but this is it. I love this outfit. Sweater vest, yes, you need a million sweater vests for fall and winter. Just trust me. Again, with the black skirt and then a black cozy turtleneck underneath. I mean, we love a turtleneck, so it's all about layering, we know. I love sweater vests. Wow, I feel like a Pinterest girly. Here's the last outfit I'm gonna show you guys. I just paired this really cute sweater. Everyone needs a sweater like this, I feel like, for fall. I paired it with this black pleated skirt. Super cute. Again, like once you have it all put together, really cute outfit with like the boots, the jewelry, the sunglasses, the bag. It's cute, it's a vibe. So I'm obsessed. They have such good stuff, such good fall stuff. So definitely check them out. I'll have the link down below, like I said, to everything I showed you guys. All right, you guys, I want to make cookies, okay? It is like my last full week in this house. Hint, hint, we're moving soon. I actually don't know the exact date, but I know it's happening next week, I think. You guys, I want to bake and be that girl that like makes all the holiday cookies and like gives it to you in the tin. These are just like extras. They're mostly on here. I made cinnamon roll cookies and peanut butter cookies. And now I want to make really holiday, let me show you guys. They look like this. I think they're called Linzer cookies. It's giving very festive. Okay, Sam is Jewish. I don't know if I've said that, or I haven't really talked about it that much. So we usually will be hosting the Hanukkah party and stuff with his family. So I want to make the cutout like the Star of David or like a Hanukkah. I have a bunch of Hanukkah cookie cutters, so we're gonna make them Hanukkah cookies. I don't know why I'm doing it so early. It's definitely like still November and not even close to being the holidays, but well, I mean, some people are decorating. Okay, you know what? This is why. I cannot decorate my house for Christmas because there's no point. We are leaving. I have to wait until the new house to decorate. So I'm like, I gotta do something. Gotta do something festive. It'll make me happier. So that's what we're doing. We're baking cookies because that's all we can do. Also, I wanna enjoy my kitchen while I still have it. Just because I really do like my kitchen. My oven's pretty good, like it's a good brand. The new house is nice. I'm kind of like setting low expectations for this new house, like, oh, my kitchen's so nice, but it's just different, and this is like my hominess, and I feel like it's not going to be homey in the new house yet. I mean, the kitchen, it seems like whoever designed the kitchen in the new house doesn't cook ever, because like the stove, for instance, had like 3 burners, which is quite small, I would say, for like a big house. So I don't know, like little things we have to change, and I know it's gonna take a long time to do all of that. So I just wanna make cookies. That's a long story to talk about why I wanna make cookies, but anyway, we're gonna do it. Okay, let's get the ingredients. I just look up recipes on Pinterest. Okay, I'm gonna get the ingredients out and then I'll come back. Okay, actually this is like a really simple recipe. I already got all the ingredients out. This is what you're gonna need. Also got this out. Literally just flour, icing sugar, salt, vanilla extract, cup of butter, and jam. I only have this one. It's supposed to be Italian raspberry jam. I just have this regular schmegular raspberry jam. So hopefully that's still good. But yeah, I feel like that's not a lot of ingredients. So hopefully these are good. First thing, I'm gonna preheat the oven to 325. Okay, now I'm just going to combine, I think, mostly everything into my mixer. Why is it so dark? Okay, so the butter is supposed to be at room temperature, but my butter was in the fridge, so it's really cold. Is it bad to not melt it totally, but soften it in the microwave? Or are you just supposed to like let it, whoops. Like how is it supposed to get to room temperature? I'm gonna have to wait too long, so we're just gonna use the microwave. Is that bad? It should be fine. As long as I don't like overly melt it, right? Let me know. Also, what other Christmas cookies, like what is your guys' favorite Christmas cookie ever? Like reminds you of childhood? Mine, my stepdad's mom, so like my step grandma used to make these really yummy cinnamon roll cookies, which is why I made cinnamon roll cookies, but mine were not the same. Hers are actually look like cinnamon rolls that like are rolled up, and I don't know the recipe. I should probably ask her. Those used to be my favorite cookies. She would make them and give us a bunch of cookies in one of those tin cans every Christmas, and it was so good. Okay, we're gonna melt this a little bit, like literally 10 seconds. Butter, icing sugar, salt, and vanilla is what we're putting in here. Okay, I feel like that should be fine. We're just gonna put it in. I don't want it to melt, you know? Then the icing sugar, 3/4 of a cup. It's supposed to be sifted, but like, I don't know, man. Does that really make a difference? You're probably like, yes. We're just gonna shake it out. That'll probably be fine, right? Let's do that. Whoa, no it did not. Icing sugar is so good. Okay. Then salt and vanilla. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, 1/4 teaspoon salt. And vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon. This is very like minimal ingredients for this. Okay. And I think that's it. It says paddle attachment, and I feel like that's this. Like this doesn't seem, this looks like a whisk attachment. Like this would be, except I got butter on here now. I've actually never tried this attachment, so let's just try it and we'll see what happens. Let's see what happens. That seems right. I'm gonna Google it though. Y'all, I was right. I'm a freaking chef. Okay, so we're just gonna let that mix together. Ooh, yes. And it says, until it's light and fluffy. This may take 3 minutes. Continuing with the stand mixer, add flour to the mixture until just combined. At this point, a ball of dough will begin to form. Okay, so I add flour once that's mixed. Okay, we're gonna add the flour. Adding in the flour, and it calls for 2 cups of flour. You're also supposed to sift it, but I don't know about that. All right, we added 1 cup. Sorry, you died there for a second. Now for the 2nd cup. Okay. So I actually have to like put this dough, once this is all combined, in the fridge for like 30 minutes. So we're gonna have to do a little waiting, but let's mix this together. It smells so good. Oh my God, what? Oh, it smells so good. Okay, I think that's enough. I don't wanna over mix it, I think. And scrape the edge. Oh yeah. Okay, make sure you have a clean surface. I'm literally just gonna like knead it. I didn't get it all though. I need to get the rest out. Now I'm just gonna knead it. Is this kneading? Is this what you call kneading? Okay. Just keep doing this for a minute or so. This seems right, right? I don't know, but I feel like such a baker right now. I love this. This is relaxing. This smells so good, you guys. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Okay, this seems right. Okay, so now we gotta wrap it in plastic wrap. Sure, that seems right. Okay, so now we're gonna put this in the fridge for 30 minutes and we will come back to it. Okay guys, it's been 30 minutes, so I'm gonna get the dough out and start rolling it. Put a bit of flour down. We'll start there. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna just roll her out. I'm scared. I'm not like the best with dough. I don't really work with rolling pins that often. I don't know. Okay. I don't know. I need to redo it. fucking dent in it. Okay, I think I finally got the dough where it needs to be. I don't have circle cookie cutters, so I'm just gonna use this wine glass. It says to do a 3-inch cookie cutter, circle cookie cutter. Okay, remove the excess dough. I literally only got 6 out of that, so. Okay, now I'm gonna get a cookie sheet and put parchment paper on it. Okay, I'm gonna continue cutting out the cookies and I will update you guys when I'm done. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished result. Well, before I put them in the oven. Why did I just say onion? So I used the cutouts and they're really cute. I think it makes about 8, but then you like sandwich them together, so it's not gonna make that many cookies, I've just realized. Anyway, we'll see when it's done, but I'm gonna pop them in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes and I'll come back to you. I just took them out of the oven and they look really good. I don't know if I overcooked them, like, cause they're a little goldeny, but honestly, I like them a little goldeny, so I like the little crunch. We're gonna put them together now. So basically you just add jam to the bottom of the full ones and then sprinkle icing sugar on top of the cutout ones and smush them together like a sandwich. So start with this. So this is the bottom. We're gonna take some jam and like spread it out like it's toast. I'm just gonna do a little bit of jam because I feel like too much jam would be like overpowering and not very good. So we're doing a thin layer, maybe just in the center almost, like nice in the center. So there we got that. Ooh, okay, they're pretty goldeny. Sprinkle some icing sugar. Oh, this is cute. Not me pretending to be a sister. I think I have to do it after. Ooh, I messed up. Okay, the rest will be fine, but I think you sprinkle it on before you put it together so that the center isn't covered in icing sugar. So we're gonna do the rest and I will come back. I'm gonna just try for now one of the little ones because I don't want to waste a big cookie on myself yet. Tastes good. Tastes like a sugar cookie. For some reason, I thought sugar cookies had like way more ingredients. Oh, a pretty good cookie. There's something about making homemade cookies for yourself where afterwards you don't even want them anymore. Like for some reason, eating cookies that someone else made just tastes so much better. So like I feel like I haven't really fully enjoyed all the cookies I've been making. I don't know, it's kind of like when I cook myself dinner, like by the time I'm done cooking it, I don't even want it anymore. Let me know if you're like that, but they look really cute and I'm glad they turned out good. What's up guys? So it's actually the next day, like later the next day. I did Pilates this morning and Archie had a groomer appointment and I had some work things to get done, so didn't really vlog today, but I also forgot I didn't end the vlog from yesterday, so here I am doing that. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I think the cookies turned out so good. I'm proud of them. I'm just excited for vlogs to come because I feel like they're gonna be really exciting with like moving vlogs and like that's all gonna start very, very soon. It doesn't like feel real yet, to be honest. Like I don't even know how we're gonna move everything because I kind of have a lot of stuff, but it'll be good content and all of that. And I feel like, I don't know if I'll do Vlogmas because that's kind of coming up too, but it will make for good content during December if I do choose to like somewhat do Vlogmas. I know I'm not gonna do it every day, but you know, we'll try to vlog a lot in December. Shout out to Shein for partnering with me on this vlog. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next one.